Yo guys, I'm back again with another video guys. So guys, as I promised that I'm gonna drop this kind of video. So guys, I'm gonna show you a website guys. I'm gonna show you a website that is so amazing guys. The name of the website guys is super pay me super dot is superpay.me is superpay.me guys. So you will find the link on my description. I will leave the link on my description guys for you to register. I'm making this simple for you. So guys, when you register guys, they only need your information guys. They only need your information. You don't need money to register on this website guys. You just need your internet connection and your information guys. Your name and your username and your email is what they need from you guys, so you can start participating guys, participating on some of the surveys that they're giving you guys here. So guys, before we get into it guys, I wanna make sure that you earn money on this one guys. This one is the opportunity for you. You can start today and make money. As you see guys, they say get paid today guys, so you can even cash out today guys. So guys, let me show you what you need to do guys. But before getting to it, please make sure you like and subscribe on this video guys. Like and subscribe. So guys, as you can see, choose from our top surveys providers and get paid for each survey you complete guys. So guys, you get paid each and every survey you complete guys. This is so amazing guys, this is so amazing. So if you can get paid for for any survey that you complete guys, just imagine guys, if you're going to complete 10 surveys a day guys, you could make around 700 rand guys, as you can see here. So as you can see, your survey powered by signed, as you can see guys, this one is a survey that is powered by a chant, as you can see guys here. And up to $40 each day guys, $40 each day. So if you're going to choose this one guys here, if you're going to choose this one here guys, you're going to get paid $40 each and every day guys. So but you need to work. You're not going to get that $40 if you're not going to answer some surveys that they give you. You need to complete some surveys so that you can get that $40 guys. So that $40 guys is a estimated money guys. Is the money that they estimate for you that you can make this $40. It's not like you're going to make that $40. You can make around $30 or $35. Yeah, you can even make $40, but I'm just saying that it's just the estimation guys. So let's go down guys, let's go down. Okay, so as you can see on this one, is CPX research. So on this one guys, they need some research, so they're going to ask you some questions guys. So extra bonus reward, as you can see, this one they didn't tell us how much they're going to pay us, but they're going to give you more. But if they're not telling you how much they're going to give you, it means they're going to give you more if you're going to participate on this one. So this, let me show you this one. Let me highlight this one. This one guys is bit AB. Is bit what? I don't understand, because just okay guys, I'm not going to read, but as you can see, they're going to give you 0.20 USD, 0.20 USD. That's it's equal to, let me see, I think is like 5 rand, 6 rand in South Africa. I think it's like 5 rand, 6 rand. So yeah, so to $8 guys, as you can see, they're going to give you like $8 if you're going to answer some surveys for them, but not per survey. I'm not sure about the survey, just because I didn't complete all these surveys. I'm just doing other surveys on this platform, because there are a lot of surveys on this platform. So I'm just showing you these ones so that you will earn more. So as you can see, only for your 5 minutes or 15 minutes surveys, guys. 5 minutes to 15 surveys on this one is peanut labs. So this one, they're saying that they're going to pay us up to $10 per survey, guys. $10 per survey, guys. This is so amazing. $10 per survey for 5 minutes to 15 minutes, guys. They only need your 15 minutes and pay you $10, guys. So let's go down. I don't want to waste your time. This one is daily surveys, guys. All daily surveys. So this one is unlimited surveys. They're going to give you a lot of surveys, guys. So let's go down again. Revenue all, as you can see, guys, regular cash content. So this one, they didn't tell us how much they're going to pay us, but I think there's some more money that they're going to pay. So on this one is polarity. I don't know about this one. Is what, I don't know the spelling. So guys, they said fast crediting. This means, guys, they're going to pay us, so like we don't have to wait so fast, guys. So as you can see, is opinion capital. As you can see, this one, guys, they're going to pay us 5 to 50 5 or not $15. I mean, we're going to spend like 5 minutes and 15 minutes per survey. So let's go down. Tap research. This one, I did this one, I remember this one. So this one, guys, is 5 minutes to 15 minutes, guys. They're going to pay you 0.50 to $5 per survey, guys. This is so amazing. So let's go down. Precision sample. It's precision. I don't know the spelling. So they're going to pay us up to $25 per survey, guys. This is so amazing. So guys, I don't want to waste your time, guys. I don't want to waste your time. So let me come on this one. I want to show you these ones. Yeah, I want to show you these ones here, guys. These ones are surveys too, guys. As you can see, if we're going to click on this one, this one is international, guys. So as you can see, what they are saying here, you can even search for surveys, guys, on this one. So what they're saying here, opinion capital premium unlimited router, international, $1.10. I don't know if it's cent. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so complete the survey. No limits to number of surveys you qualify for and complete. As you can see, there's no limit, guys. You can like, guys, you can spend time doing this, guys, and make this extra cash. So as you can see, guys, they're going to pay us $1.10. So as you can see on this one, they're going to pay us $5.17. $5.17. Yeah, as you can see, it's 25 minutes. So they just need your 25 minutes, guys, and they're going to pay you this money. So this one is $4.78. They only need your 25 minutes again, 10 minutes again. As you can see, guys, there are a lot of money here, guys. There are a lot of money, guys. There are a lot of money. Yo, there are a lot of money. I'm motivating you guys so that you can come here and register, start making money. Don't sleep, guys. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Come here and make some extra cash for yourself. No one is going to make no one is going to give you money, guys. So you need to hustle. You need to hustle and make this kind of cash. So guys, let me show you something. I want to show you something, guys. As you can see, guys, I was showing you the surveys that you can do. So now I want to show you the other way for you so that you can make money. If you don't want to like spend time on surveys, maybe you are busy, maybe you have you are working, so this one is for you, guys. This one is for you. Here you get paid by referring, guys. What I mean by referring is like you're referring people to this website. You sharing, like you're telling people about this website, and when they register, guys, you're gonna get like 0.20 credit card, as they're saying there up. Your referral all receive like 0.20 credit when they join to help them start. Like what they're trying to say is that if I'm going to refer you now, let me put it like this. If I'm going to refer you now and you register and I guide you like what I'm doing now, I'm going to get like 20 cents. I guess it makes sense. Share your referral link or referral banner below with family, friends, on social media, or use as advertisement on other websites. For every new referral you bring in, you will earn 25% of everything they earn. So guys, as you can see here, when you, let's take I refer you guys, it means I'm going to get paid each and every time. When you get paid too, I'm going to get paid. Like, I'm benefiting, guys. So think of this: if you're going to refer like 50 people or 100,000 people, as I'm doing now, it means I'm going to earn each and every time when someone register, or when someone is benefiting on this website. I'm going to get paid. This is lifetime, guys. If you're going to take action on this website, you're going to make like a lot of cash, guys. You're going to make a lot of money, guys. So what you need to do is to come here and register. After registering, guys, please make sure you you check your profile. Make sure your profile is cool. What would like to do today: make money with paid surveys and rewards on our offer for, like, okay, what you need to do, let me show you. So guys, when you're registered, they're going to give you 0.20 cents is what they're going to give you. So guys, but I think there's nothing so interesting here. Guys, let's go back there. Okay, as I was saying, guys, we were okay, guys, let me show you how to withdraw, guys. I know. Okay, let me show you how you can get your referral link. Let me show you how you can grab your referral link, because I want to show you guys. This is, guys, it's 100%, guys. Okay, guys, what you need to do is to copy this link, guys. You're going to copy this link. I guess you're following me. You're going to copy this link. You're going to select all and click copy. And then after copying, guys, as you can see, after copying this link, guys, you will need to share with your friends. What I'm going to do, I have friends on WhatsApp. What I'm going to do is to share the link, guys, to share the link on WhatsApp. Just tell them, let me maybe make example. Okay, let's take this one is my friend, guys. Let's take this one is my friend. I'm gonna like hey, hey brother, this one is someone is going to register, guys. So it means I'm gonna get like 20 cent. Hey brother, oh come on, brother, please. Okay, let me say like, hey brother, uh do you do you need money? Okay, if so, I wanna show you a website that pays you. If you're in South Africa, you can like, okay, let me say like, okay, let me put it in dollar. That is going to pay you I'm sorry to take long, 5 rand free. Okay, let me say 5 rand free. As you can see, we know on that website, guys, they're going to give us 0.20 just for 0.20 just for registering. So we can say 5 rand just because we're in South Africa. Pay you 5 rand for free for registering, for registration, yeah, for registering, not registration. Let me say registration, but you can be specific. So for registration, and also You can, guys, be yourself. I'm going to put the link here. I don't want to make this video long. So what you're going to do, you're going to do like this, and then you put your link there, or maybe you can say click on this link to get started. Yeah, just be creative. You're going to send this one. After doing that, guys, obviously this person will come and review this message, and is going to register. Just because I said 5 rand free, is going to register, and when you register, I get paid. You can also do it on Facebook. Just post this one, guys. Just post. Maybe you can say like make you can make like around 200 rand a day on this website, because we know that you can even make 200 rand on that website when you complete some surveys, guys. So you can say like this is a website, blah 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 blah. This website, guys, is legit. It's 100% legit. I have tested the website, and a lot of people on YouTube they're using this website, guys. They make a lot of money. So this one, some of my friend show me this website, and is benefiting on this website. So I decided to share with you guys along the journey, so that we can make money together, guys. So you can do that, and go to Facebook and do that. Any social media, guys, you can do this, guys. As long people come and click your link, you're gonna do that, guys. You're gonna make a lot of money on this one, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. The link will be on my description. As you can see, I get that when you register using my link, you will get that 0.20 cent, and then I'm going to get that too. So it's win-win, guys. It's win-win. Use that link. Yeah, use that link, guys, so you can register fast, guys. Today, guys, just grab it now, guys. See you on the next video. It's your boy TMK. Love you all.